Get your HVAC ready for heating season. Fall has come to mean football and tailgating, but it also means it's time to get ready for heating season. Having a fall maintenance check now will help ensure you stay warm as temperatures drop in the months ahead. We tag along on a typical fall maintenance check done by Lance Waterbarger, technician for Interstate AC Service. In this video, Lance checks on a 19-year-old system installed in a customer's attic. The air handler uses both a heat pump and a bank of 2 electric heaters. Here are some of the points Lance makes as he performs his fall preventive maintenance service. Number 1, the voltage across the capacitor is checked. Number 2, all wiring connections are checked.
This transformer's been replaced at one point in time, and they've added this fuse in here to not pop this transformer in the future. If you get a low voltage short, it'll just pop this little car fuse here instead of popping that. So that's a good deal to have in there, so you don't have a costly repair in the future if you have a short on your low voltage. All the connections are tight.
Number 3, the blower motor bearings are checked.
Bearings by seeing how much play you have in the motor, which is pretty good.
Number 4, the heat is turned on and put in emergency heat mode to test the heat banks.
Test the heat banks and by the amperage I draw on each heater, I'll know whether they're coming on or not.
There is a short time delay between the first and second heat banks coming on to avoid an excessive amperage draw that would dim the house lights. Number 5, the heat bank sequencer is checked for proper operation.
Maybe 30 seconds in between each stage, so you don't have a light dimming because it's pulling a considerable amount of amps. Generally, you'll have a 3-degree swing between first and second stage heat, and you may program in a 5-degree swing. When the first stage comes on and it's cold outside and it goes into defrost mode, it'll kick in the heaters, and you're actually turning back into a air conditioning mode in defrost until you melt the ice, and to compensate for that, it turns the second stage heaters on.
Number 7, he verifies that the outside unit reversing valve works in defrost mode. The outdoor coil freezes up in heat mode, and there is a sensor on the line that will indicate when it needs to thaw the coil. It has a timer or a demand control board that will switch the reversing valve, turn the heaters on, and turn off the outdoor condensing fan. This traps the heat and melts the ice off the coil. When the sensor senses that the coil is approximately 50 to 55 degrees, it will kick in automatically back to your regular heat cycle. Other checks not seen in this video, which are part of Interstate AC Service's preventive maintenance, include inspecting all air filters, checking whether the blower belts are worn out, checking the thermostat for proper operation and settings, checking and cleaning the condensate drain, checking all safety features on the unit. If it is a gas furnace, a check of the air supply and flue is done, as well as the burners, fuel igniter switches, inducer motor, and heat exchangers. A fall maintenance check will not only keep your system running more efficiently and reliably through the winter, but could save your life by preventing a deadly carbon monoxide leak. So call on Interstate AC Service today and schedule your fall preventive maintenance visit at 615-832-8500.